Now, while there may be multiple investment opportunities in the world, there are mainly only two ways to truly acquire an investment. The one way is to either buy an investment product, or you can create an investment. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of each one, and to give you a few examples of what each one is. Okay, now we're going to look at the pros and the cons between buying an investment and creating an investment. Let's start off with the buying. The best thing about buying an investment is that it's fast. As long as you have the cash readily available, just go out and buy whatever investment it might be. It's basically already been pre-packaged for you, and you just go out and buy it off the market. Now, the con of this is that in order to buy investments, you have to have money. So this can be a very costly way to go. And that's the biggest problem when you got to buy investments, is you need money to make money. However, when you got to create investments, the pro is that it's very, very cheap. In some cases, if you're very good, you can create an investment for next to nothing. The problem is that it can be excruciatingly slow. Where in this case, somebody's already done the work for you and they're selling the investment to you. You have to basically start at the bottom and create the investment building up. You have to take multiple components and put them together in order to create an investment for yourself. And again, it can be a ridiculously slow process. Now let's take a look at some examples of investments that you can buy and investments that you can create. Okay, so here's a sample of investments that you can buy. We have stocks. You can also go out and buy bonds. You can also go out and buy funds. Now when I say funds, this includes ETF funds, mutual funds, index funds, and fund of funds. All those funds that are out there. And then we also have trusts. This includes oil and gas trusts, real estate investment trusts, and any other trusts that are out there. These are all investments that you can go out and buy as long as you have the money. Okay, now let's have a look at investments that can be created. You can go and make a painting, make a piece of art, maybe make a sculpture, and sell it for a ridiculous amount of money. I've heard it said by an art teacher that creating a piece of art could be the most profitable investment anybody can make. And why not? You got these paintings that are being sold for thousands, if not millions of dollars. But what is art really? It's just painting. Somebody went out and they got some paint, they took a brush and a piece of paper. And they took those components, put that all together, and went out and sold just a painting for a ridiculous amount of money. Now you can also go out and you can write a book. Write a book on a topic that you're familiar with, either a life story or a motivational book, or even science fiction. And then you sell that, and then you continue to get royalties for every time that your book is sold. Another thing that you could do is you could just make crafts. I think my sister and grandmother and mother are perfect examples of this. You just go out, create little, I don't know, like take twigs or something, make little birds, and sell them to people in the street. That is an example of creating an investment. Or like my one grandmother, she did a lot of sewing, just sew together a blanket or whatever, then you go ahead and sell it. And now, thanks to the digital age, we now have online content as an investment. Now, what's online content? Well, it could be a YouTube channel, it could be a blog, and it can be any source of online content that you own, which provides you with a source of income. Out of all these ways to create an investment, by far my favorite one, and the one that I specialize in, is online content. And here's why. Because it encompasses all these other ways that you can create an investment. You can utilize art, video, books, crafts, music, whatever it may be. And then when it comes to online content, you get the added bonus of leverage. And that is a huge secret that many people aren't aware of, and is something that the internet provides. But I will get more into that in an entirely separate video where I talk about the benefits of leverage in and of itself.